Okay, guys, I think there might be an F4 or even F5 because the weather is pretty decent right now. So I think we're gonna get a pretty good tornado here. Oh, yeah, yep, we got a rotation. Hope this doesn't go off the map, surely. I think someone has a doe over there. So, yeah, someone has it, so now it's it kind of seems like it is going off the map, though. How am I way back here? I swear I'm closer. Seems to be going east right now, so. Oh no, it's just kind of standing there. Is that it? Can't really tell because now it's raining. Oh yes, it's going up. It's going straight for hibbing. If this thing grows, I think half of there it is. Half of hibbing might be destroyed if this thing grows. No, that's like 70% of hibbing in its path. So here, I'm really hoping this is a really good tornado. I don't really have a good storm chasing vehicle. It's only a Dominator 1, which is only 175 max that I can withstand, which is about like a strong F3. Oh, come down. Why does it all tornadoes? Okay, I gotta turn down the volume. Actually, I'm just gonna turn down my Roblox so I can actually turn up my volume. I just want you to hear my voice properly. Oh yeah, it's hitting iron. Hibbing. Rip hibbing. Let's see. Ooh, it's growing. Already F1. That was quick. I think this is just like a straight down one. I forgot what they're called. Like a normal kind of one. Should come like right about here. Update so I can see where I am. We'll check the damage after, because this is definitely going to cause some chaos. Every time the siren stops, it makes me think that the tornado is just going to disappear. I'm going to place down probes though, because then nothing actually happens. I'm hoping something happens. I think this is probably an EF2 of that. F2. No one's yet. Should come straight for me, like right in front of me. Pretty good. Oh! Hibbing is getting hit now. See ya! That's an F3! That has to be an F3, right? I have two F3 probably. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna change the volume to 1 because of these sirens. Oh, can I turn off sirens? No. Okay. I'm just gonna screenshot this real quick. Yeah, that would probably be something in the video. Here we go. I'm gonna deploy. I'm gonna deploy if it gets around like 100 because this thing can normally withstand about 125. And when it's deployed, it can go to 170 or 170, like 170 to 80. I think how this is an 3 or maybe 4. Okay, screw it. I'm deploying. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh, EF2 damage. EF2 damage. EF2 damage. Oh. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty strong tornado. We're in the tornado, I think. Yeah, we're in it. Oh god, there's roofs everywhere. 120, 120, 121, 122, 123. It's growing. It's 130, 135, 140. Oh god. Wait, we're not even in the okay. I think it's capping at 140 above there. The tornado is just like standing on top of me right now. Sorry, it's like going back and forth. So I'm getting so much money. Oh my god, I've already made like $3,000. Oh, 140 max. Oh, we might get more. $140 wins. That's let's see this thing. Okay, I'm undeployed. Hoping I'm not gonna fly. Okay, we just got. I think this was EF2 in damage. Yeah, because they don't have deep heart trees. I forgot if deep heart trees are 3 or 4. I think it was a weak EF3. Like a very weak EF3. Because, like, some of the houses here, I think it actually, no, it's maybe, yeah, EF2 or 3 around there. That was a pretty decent one. I'm just gonna go follow it now. That was a pretty good one right there. I'm just gonna say it's like about maybe a week EF3. So that was actually strong. Wait, oh, I was expecting it to be maybe like an EF4 or something like that. Maybe even an EF5 because the weather was really good. Yeah, it's still kind of actually good. It's pretty decent, but didn't get off the grass. That was the stupidest idea. That's why I never go on. I never really go on dirt roads either, because most of the time I just get slowed down too much. I might need to. Only one person died. Wow. Like an NPC, not an actual person. Come on, are there any roads that go freaking that way? Where am I? Oh, I'm going. Wait, it just switched up. Dude, that is. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Is Hibbing gonna get hit twice? Dude, if Hibbing actually gets hit twice, I'm calling it. Hibbing is the most dangerous place in this entire game. I swear, tornadoes always spawn at the bottom, the very bottom of the map. Okay, it seems like I'm at EF1 now, so. Weren't there? Dude, there's another like EF2! Where? I don't see anything. Oh, it's right there! It's a cone. We got a cone. Cone. This one, it might be. This might be the good one that the podcasters would say. It should be coming like right here. I'm just gonna park. Map update. Okay. I think, okay, yeah, the other tornado died. So we got two tornadoes at once. This is actually a thing. This is a pretty rare thing. I think you might get two EF2s at the same day. And at the same, like, hour. Like, in-game hour. Oh, you're getting fog. Oh, there's an ambulance. Ambulance. This thing kind of going slow. What even is this? Somewhere over there. Oh, there it is. The bottom of it isn't loading yet unless it hasn't touched down. Oh god. Let me zoom in too much here. The mouse becomes insane max sensitivity. There's a guy here. Phew. Yeah, it's coming. I just saw hail at you for a second. What is this? Oh, okay, we might get an EF3. I don't know if I'll be able to tell the damage though, since half of hibbing is already destroyed. I might kind of just follow it until it goes to its spot. I may actually need to go on the grass. I know that's a stupid idea, but I might have to. Or go on that path at least. I think this is our tornado. This is our F4 that we're about to get. I think this is it. I think this is what the forecast was talking about, not that crappy EF2. Oh, it's a ping. Okay, I know that doesn't mean an EF4, but I'm pretty sure this is probably EF4. Where the hell is it? Where are you? Oh, yeah. That's big. That's huge. That's a pretty decent, like, cone. Yeah, so pink means it's going to hit a town. How did he die? Colt. Yeah, that's him right there. He's flying. He's flying. He's not dead. He's having a good old time in a tornado. Yeah. This is a very insane tornado here. It is like a solid dark red. Oh no, it went right when I said that. It went to light red. Dude, this thing is so slow. This is the slowest goddamn tornado I've ever seen. Do something. Also, why does it look like you're not even touching the ground? I'm gonna just turn up my. What if I do that? 9? Okay, yeah. Now it should always show. Yeah. My computer is like freaking dying with the goddamn graphics. I'm also just using it so I can see better. I might screenshot that too. I know there's a button that you can like hide if you Fahrenheit. Oh, they added a guide. Yeah, I guess it's kind of there. How many tornadoes are there? Dude, what do you mean wind screen? Yeah, whatever. I don't know. guys are okay. Cause like, nothing is there. I swear. You got, what? Are there actually 3 tornadoes right now? Cause if there is, this is 3 tornadoes in a goddamn day. And they're both like F30 seconds. I think one, maybe that one is in the F2, that's in the F3. Oh, that, what is going on? No, don't turn night. Please, I need to see. There's actually 2. No. This, what is happening? This is a world, what? What is this? Oh god, hibbing is getting complete a multi. They're both F3, like EF3s. No, there's an EF5. Wait, what one is? Well, okay. No, what one is a multi-vortex? There ain't no freaking vortex. Okay, now that one's going fast now, and it should be in its path. Hopefully. I think that's just a sub-vortex. Vortices later. I'm gonna place 2 actually. Let me put this one over here. I'm gonna use this one, for the other tornado maybe. If I can. Oh wait, dude, I expected this to be one, like, 8-minute video with 1 tornado, not 3 tornadoes and a twin. Like, twins in there. What is his chances? Okay, I think I'm just gonna. I don't know if I can make it there too fast to place probes. I'm just gonna place all the way here, and I'm just gonna chase the other one. Yeah, that's destroying hibbing right now. It's destroying hibbing and 2 people. Yeah. Son's a brother and son is in the tornado. What? No! You can't be. Did it die? You stupid little crap. If it recycles, if this thing actually recycles, it's probably gonna be one of the luckiest days in Twisted. I'm not even joking. This is 3 tornadoes in a day. We got like triplets, bro. We basically got triplets, but 2 of them died already. There's just 1 left. 2 babies died. This one is an F4. I think this one is actually the bad one. This is the bad one. Like like a good bad, because it's strong. Holy little Jesus! Oh my God! Mr. Bird. Guys, bro, you gotta report him to Roblox. Alright, okay. Biggie tornado. I might die. Because this one seems like it's the F4, which is very, if you don't know, is a very good thing to your car. It's very healthy to your car. It definitely will not mangle it, smash it into several trees and houses, and then probably end up with you dying. I think I'm in this path. I'm gonna go on the dirt paths like these people are doing, because I don't want to risk this tornado dying. Because there's so many goddamn tornadoes that have just disappeared and I couldn't get it. At least like the second one. That one died. Actually, Dominator 1 is actually kind of decent on dirt paths. I've never seen the entire server, like an entire server of like a max server for the people. No! An EF%. Whoa. Wait, what's the percent button? In EF5 you meant when you press shift. Dying. It literally went down by 1. And it was saying it's dying. I hate the people that just say dying when it just does one thing. Like, yay, woo. What is the path? Give us the path again. What? Show your path. Okay, we gotta go down. This way. Go down. I'm just not going. I'm not gonna go too far, just in case. What is this dude doing? Down here. Yeah, his arrow is pointing down. Oh, no, he's going back up. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Go. This thing just keeps making it in mine. Like, just stop moving. Make up your goddamn map. I've been recording for 20 minutes. Are you joking? Like 22 minutes. How long is this video gonna be? I thought it was only gonna be 8 minutes. Like 3 times less than this. We gotta go down more. How many times this thing is gonna slightly turn? It's like slightly turning. Right here. This is it. I'm calling it. I'm putting my probes in. I'm gonna put 3 probes in 3 different positions. One right here. And if this thing makes its line up, how's, yeah. We got another tornado! What is going on? 4 tornadoes! How many EF2s are we gonna get? This is our 4th EF2, basically. Also, it changed its mind again. Please. They were just booking it. What is going on? I just want to get 1 tornado. And this thing keeps going up and down, and then going all around. Make up your mind. Yeah, there's actually an... Okay, please just stay here and not move. Please. I don't care, I'm placing all my probes down. Yeah, I literally am like way in there. Oh, I think that guy was in a tornado for a second because he got ouchied on that. Bro, why you need a camera? That's like a useless thing, bro. You have an intercept vehicle. That's what they're supposed to be for. The red and yellow are the best. Mostly, like, red is the first, yellow is the second, and the goddamn camera dog. Can this thing just go faster? Like, go fast forward yourself. How many tornadoes are there? This is the most, 4 tornadoes. Why? Dude. It died. It died. Yep, it died. Every time. Every time it gets close to me, it disappears. I guess it looks cool. So, you know. Like, this used to be just a single tornado that was forecasted to be about an F4. Not, instead of meaning F4, did it mean 4 F2s? Is that what you meant? I'm on top of the tornado. That's also, I think, a wedge, probably. Unless that's just a F3 or F4 right there. That is, I think that just might be a normal flat tornado thing. I forgot I completely forgot what the normal tornado is called. Dude, come on. If this doesn't get like hundreds or even maybe thousands of views, then how is this? How? This video is this is the longest like goddamn freaking tornado video I'm gonna make probably, because this is just a mess of tornadoes. Yeah, it isn't. How big did it get? Where is it? Oh, there. Yeah, that's huge. It looks like a wedge, but I don't actually think it might be a wedge, and it might be just an insanely goddamn strong. No, flat tornado. No, rain wrapped. Come on. Thank you. I love you. I love when it goes so rain wrapped. Like, ding it. Anyone got rent readings? No, unless there's a goddamn bill. Or Dow. I don't know. I don't. Oh, yeah, there goes the siren. It's EF. Probably a very strong EF3. Or chance of EF4. Go, go, go. Yes, I made it. I made it. Oh. You gotta go. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, everyone's going backwards now. I think this corner is like the best spot. Okay, tornado, I just need you to survive for at least 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Then you can disappear. That thing is so far though. Why are these You know what's also crazy? All of these tornadoes spawned at hibbing, or like around here. There's like a wall of like 5 people right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe even 7. Yes. There's a 7. How many people are in the server? Whatever. Okay, guys. I know on the title it says 5 tornadoes, but for some reason, my recording of the 5th one, for some reason it started recording my Roblox homepage instead of the Roblox gameplay, which kind of sucked because this tornado actually was kind of good, and it did die before getting. Well, it technically got to me, and right when it hit me, it disappeared. But I hate how it didn't record the 5th tornado. So yeah, but bye now.